Did Not, by Thomas Moore. 'Twas a new feeling, something more than we had dared to own before, which then we hid not. We saw it in each other's eye, and wished in every murmured sigh to speak, but did not. She felt my lips' impassioned touch. 'Twas the first time I dared so much, and yet she chid not, but whispered o'er my burning brow, "Oh, do you doubt I love you now?" Sweet soul, I did not. Warmly I felt her bosom thrill. I pressed it closer, closer still, though gently bid not, till, oh, the world hath seldom heard of lovers who so nearly erred, and yet who did not.